morning, Nora Nightmare here, and I just woke up and I thought that it would be a great opportunity to do a video on how to untease big teased out hair. There's Loretta getting ready to give Nick some sort of surprise. So yeah, this is bedhead, teased hair, really screwed up. So I'm just going to do a quick video on how to fix it. So what you're going to need: big wide tooth comb, hairbrush. I have Loretta's super fancy detangler here, and so you're going to want those. I rarely actually use this, but it's never a bad idea to have it on hand in case. So when you go to untease your hair, you're going to take sort of smaller sections if it's not just teased into one giant piece. Start with your fine tooth comb and start at the ends of your hair and work your way up. Now the detangler is usually only an issue if you have sort of a sensitive head, which I do not. I have pretty much a scalp of steel because I have been teasing my hair for so long. And so yeah, just take little pieces. You'll see that teasing is actually coming out pretty easy. The key with unteasing is patience. You want to go as slow as you can. So you're going to go real slow, starting at the bottom. It's often easier if you hold your hair, because that prevents you from tugging at the root too much. Also, remember that the average human being loses 100 hairs a day. So if you've teased your hair and worn it that way for a couple days and then you go to take it down and you notice a ton of hair loss, don't freak out. It's totally normal. It's just all the hairs that fell out that got locked in because of the teasing coming out. It's not you ripping your hairs out from the root. Okay, so once you have it all picked out with the fine tooth or wide tooth comb, then you can go back through with a hairbrush. This will help get rid of any chunks of hairspray or really fine teasing. And I didn't even need the detangler that I had with me. So there we go. Perfectly unteased and surprisingly still wearable. Well, that's all I've got for today. So as usual, leave me comments, questions, requests in the comment bar, and I will see you guys next time.